Melissa, thank you so much. A big day in New York. Opening statements kicked off today in the historic trial of former President Donald Trump. New York prosecutors accusing the former president of paying hush money to Stormy Daniels, an former adult film star, to keep quiet about a sexual relationship just before the 2016 election.
Mr. Trump has denied any relationship. NBC's Alice Barr is on Capitol Hill with the details.
Jennifer and Faith, today's opening statements gave both sides a chance to lay out a roadmap of where their arguments will go and introduce the cast of characters we'll be hearing from for the next few weeks.
Opening statements today in a case wrapped in historical significance and controversy.
No one is safe from the law.
Protesters and the media lining the block as the first American president to face a criminal trial. Here's the case against him laid out.
I'm here instead of being able to be in Pennsylvania and Georgia and lots of other places campaigning, and it's very unfair.
Mr. Trump has pleaded not guilty to charges of falsifying business records to conceal a hush money payment, to cover up an alleged affair with a porn star, when prosecutors say he was in damage control after the release of the Access Hollywood tape just before the 2016 election. Quote, this case is about criminal conspiracy, arguing Mr. Trump colluded with his former fixer, Michael Cohen, to catch and kill negative stories to influence the election. Quote, then he covered up that criminal conspiracy by lying in his New York business records over and over and over again. Former President Trump's defense attorney noted he was not charged with conspiracy here. He attacked Cohen's integrity and said the former president was innocent, insisting he had nothing to do with the Cohen payments and adding, quote, I have a spoiler alert. There's nothing wrong with trying to influence an election. It's called democracy. Prosecutors acknowledge that Cohen has made mistakes in his past. He admitted to lying under oath in a separate case, but stressed his testimony will be backed up by emails, documents, and former President Trump's own words on tape.
The prosecution's first witness, former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker, began his testimony today. Prosecutors have described him as a central figure in the alleged plot to bury stories that could have been damaging to the 2016 Trump campaign. He'll be back on the stand tomorrow. In Washington, I'm Alice Barr, 11 Alive News.